A bill that would allow cosmetologists and hairstylists to practice outside of their brick and mortar spaces is moving forward in the state Senate.
Our Elise Devlin talked with people locally who would be impacted by this.
Local hairstylists and cosmetologists are coming forward saying that legal barriers should not prevent beauty professionals from practicing their services in ways that's best for them and their customers. As a hairstylist, Nikki Elias knows the career is one filled with challenges.
I feel like our industry is overlooked a lot of times because people feel like there's not much work into it other than standing around and chit-chatting and, but it's a tiring position to be on your feet and working with your arms and all day long. And there's a lot of even chemistry in it that you don't even think about when it comes to formulas and colors and all the chemical services.
Along with the cost of schooling, right now, law requires 1,500 hours of training to earn a cosmetology certification.
Currently, the average cost for cosmetology school in South Carolina is $17,000. And what that does is creates a significant barrier for those, particularly who want to practice these niche services and may not even want to practice the full scope of cosmetology.
Under the proposed bill, services like blow drying, makeup application, and hair braiding would see clarification regarding licensing requirements. Providing services in places like hotels or other people's homes would be legal. The Professional Beauty Association has voiced concerns about the proposed changes, saying proper sanitation and disinfection would not be implemented.
Makeup can be tragic if proper sanitation and disinfection is not implemented.
We're told specifying what can be done in different settings, as well as still finding ways to hold people accountable for cleanliness, is the happy medium that stylists like Elias hopes comes out of all of this.
I don't know how that's regulated when you're not in a place where they can come in and check on you. But I don't think it should be illegal to go to a wedding venue to do if you're being checked in your salon. I almost think there needs to be a balance.
In Greenville, Elise Devlin, 7 News.
The bill will be considered by a full Senate panel on Thursday. According to the Justice Institute, 33 states have exempted hair braiding, 6 states have exempted blow-dry hairstyling, and 12 states have exempted makeup applications from licensure requirements.